Welcome to my channel, The Nutritious Bite. Healthy choices for healthier life. A place where every bite matters and every meal tells a story of health. If you believe that food is not just about taste, but about energy, balance, and long-term wellness, then you're exactly where you should be. Like many of you, my journey started with a simple question. Can vegetarian food really give complete nutrition? The more I learned, the more I realized, yes, it can. That curiosity turned into knowledge, and that knowledge became the Nutritious Bite. On this channel, you'll find easy vegetarian nutrition, powerful plant-based foods, science-backed health facts, and practical tips you can actually follow in daily life. My goal is simple: to help you make smarter food choices without confusion, fear, or extreme diets. Whether you're a student, a busy professional, a parent, or just starting your vegetarian journey, the Nutritious Bite is here to guide you. If you believe that food can heal, plants can power your body, and small habits create big health changes, then subscribe to my channel The Nutritious Bite and let's grow healthier together. One smart choice, one meal, one nutritious bite at a time. Welcome to the vegetarian family.